Green Chile Chicken Taquitos. This right here brings the vibe to the party. It's like a bowl game. Everybody wins, everybody leaves home happy. Let's get cooking with Cowboy. Keep things simple with a 2-zone fire. These all natural hardwood briquettes are perfect for tailgating, game day recipes, and they give you that consistent temperature as well as that all natural barbecue flavor. Grab yourself about 1 to 2 pounds of chicken breast, and we're just gonna hit these with some olive oil. From there, we're giving them a generous dusting of our favorite taco seasoning. I like to add a little extra salt content in mine. That's just how I get down. To be honest, this is the only part of this recipe where we're seasoning, so don't be afraid to season liberally. Nice hot grill. All right, so the chicken part of this recipe is real simple. We're cooking until doneness, about 160 to 165. The thinner your chicken breasts are, the quicker they're gonna cook. What I like to do ahead of time is pound them out, make sure they're even, and they cook quicker. Chicken's looking good and done. Let's go ahead and pull these off, let them cool a little bit. We're just gonna pull this apart. Once you start pulling it apart, you start to notice all that char flavor and the seasonings get all mixed into every aspect of this shredded chicken here. Gonna make for some bomb taquitos, man. If you don't got time to do it this way, you can also pick up a rotisserie chicken and skip the first half of this cook, but man, let me tell you, it's worth it if you got the time. Now we're gonna go in with a small can of green chilies. Then we got 8 ounces of whipped cream cheese. And then we're coming in with about 1.5 cups of sharp cheddar. Smell of the green chilies mixed with the smoky chicken, the taco seasoning. This smells so good. We've made our chicken, we've made our taquito mix, and our heat source is still rolling strong. These things burn for a long time. When it comes to tailgating and game day foods, it's all about flavors and efficiencies. And one of the strong points of these briquettes is the fact that they just roll for a really long time. So now we're gonna break out our cast iron skillet, heat up some oil, and start making our taquitos. Get a little down in the middle there, just rolling these bad boys up. Want to put them seam side down. And we're just gonna place these in our hot oil, seam side down. And don't trip if they bust open a little bit, that's just a part of the game. These are fun to bang out for family and friends, especially when you're tailgating, enjoying game day, having a nice cold one, knocking a few taquitos back, man, it don't get better than that. Let's plate them up. That there. Just wanna make a mountain of taquitos. Just for a little color and party vibes, we got pico de gallo over the top, coming through with a little extra cilantro because you want that green popping in there. Little crema. Ooh, yes sir. Some cotija cheese. You can't tell me them don't look good. Even if your squad is losing, your taste buds will be winning with these bad boys right here. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Cooking with Cowboy.